We met the new Pershing GTX 70 at its world debut. Eager to discover what this bold new model brings to the Gran Turismo yacht scene, we took it for a spin in Portoroz. Stay tuned to see how it performed. It's the smallest of the new GTX line, but it doesn't lack attitude. With the same signature look as its larger sisters, sleek silhouette, bold bow grille, and a massive stern platform, this model blends design and functionality in classic Pershing style. On board, the layout is packed with clever solutions. The aft platform lowers hydraulically and carries a tender or jet ski, while the side terraces fold out for extra space without losing aesthetic appeal. There's even a carbon deck chair with teak backrests, because of course there is. It's Pershing. The cockpit and salon connect into one large open space thanks to the disappearing aft wall. There's a fully equipped galley, generous seating, smart storage throughout, and finishes in light wood and dark leather. Clean, sharp, and unmistakably Pershing. Below deck, 3 cabins, the master suite aft, VIP in the bow, and a guest cabin to starboard with a shared bathroom. What stood out was how efficiently space is used. Rounded furniture edges, integrated functions, and smooth transitions all show the design team's experience, especially in how they applied sailing yacht logic to a motor yacht layout. And then came the sea trial. In calm waters, she reached a top speed of 35 knots. But once the waves picked up in Venice, the GTX 70 showed what she's really made of. At a steady 30 knots, with the Seakeeper on, she sliced through messy chop effortlessly, stable, composed, and completely in control. Cruising between 21 and 25 knots, fuel consumption stays at around 14 litres per mile. Even at higher speeds, it barely rises, about 15 litres per mile or 450 litres per hour at 30 knots. The new Pershing GTX 70 isn't built to be outrageous, it's built to be driven.
And if you love the Gran Turismo philosophy, this one hits the mark.